What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the video. So, question I get asked a lot is, Dill, should I look for products that are within the category that I already sell in, that are related to my product, or should I look in other categories? That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. So, like and comment on the video and enjoy. So, if you are selling, let's say, one product on Amazon and you are questioning whether or not for your second product you should stay within the niche that you're in, or you should branch out into another category to sell in. Now, let me give you my thoughts on that, because it seems to be something that I'm asked quite frequently. Now, my advice to someone who's in that position would be to start off the product research within the niche that you're in already. Now, the reason for that is because you are firstly looking to increase your brand awareness within a niche. When you're adding products, you have more products that are visible within a niche, you have more brand awareness in the search results. You're able to reuse often a lot of the work that you've done for product one with product two. For example, a lot of the branding, you might have a logo. If you're selling baby products, you're able to reuse lots of things that you've paid for and spent time doing with your first product. Is another reason you may be able to reuse the trademark that you're using with the second product. The supplier may also be able to help you with the order. If you've got a similar product, they may be able to help you source it. There's lots of reasons why it's better to begin your product research journey for product number two in the area that you're already selling in. But, and this is the big but that I want to emphasize a lot here, I don't want you to restrict yourself to the niche or category that you're selling in currently. Although I'm saying that in an ideal world, it would be within the same niche. If we were living in a vacuum and you had two identical opportunities, one was within the same niche and it was related to your product, the other one wasn't, for the reasons that I said, it'd be better to go with option A. But we don't live in a vacuum. So my advice to you would be, start your product research where you're comfortable, right? You're familiar with your niche. You're familiar with the products that are sold within your niche and the category that you sell in. So start product research there. But don't completely restrict yourself. Go where the product research tells you. If you need to branch off into different categories, then do that. Don't restrict yourself. It's absolutely fine to sell multiple products on Amazon that are completely unrelated to each other. We did a previous video on brand name versus company name. This is the whole reason I spoke about that, is because if you diversify and sell lots of different products in lots of different categories, they all fit under the one company name. So yeah, that would be my advice on it. You don't need to worry too much about it. I would just say, try to start off your product research in the area that you're familiar with and for the reasons that I previously stated. But don't spend too much time. If there's no opportunities there, move on, right? Move on to something else. Follow where the product research takes you. And that's the message that I want to put across in this video. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.